3K pa.
Narinig ko.
Nag-flash kasi maya-maya ng konti ako.
Sige.
Thank you.
Yung sinabi.
Oh, gago pa kunin yan. Di ba may trunk gun kayo?
I forgot.
Si Idol naman si Tom. Crouch bro, crouch! Crouch bro!
Ay, na. Marinig ko.
Oo, nahulog. Tanga. Gaka, dire-diretso.
Wait. Ikaw ang nangyari, Nick.
Hindi ko naman in-expect na meron kagad doon sa unang pintuan pa lang.
Hands off, Gabriella! Gabriella!
Guys!
Hands off, Gabriella! Ano nangyari kay Nicole?
What happened, Nicole? Gago.
Allah Akbar! Why you kill the Indian?
Wait, can you...
Ay, gago.
Gagumik! Gagumik!
Okay. Sige, isa.
Ay, nakuha ko, Nick! I got you. Nakuha ko, Denise! Please! Over here, fucker!
Ang bilis ng pangyayari.
Something I don't like. It's the eye. Denise! Help!
Sakit, no?
She keeps going down. She keeps going up. Help! Denise, kinita po! Help! Dance with my father again. Can you get it?
Sige. No split dyan. Dun sa...
Oh, we're going the wrong
We're going
way.
the wrong way.
Nix, malito, Nix! Takbo na tayo!
Sige,
Nix, this is so wrong!
Ito na. No sprint challenge. Never.
Okay. Closing the door? Ay, nasira ito!
Closing the door.
Bitch! Oh my god! This is bullying!
You can just open the door for you're strong now. Gago, black man with a gun! And the CR2. And
Give
it's
me your fucking ass!
and it's block.
Give me your anus!
And it's block. Help! Help! Help!
Dito, Erika. Ay, gago. Uy, Flappy Bird moment.